I have a pretty awesome view at my house, but I love this view here. When you come up over, this is my cousin's, so we have some of my cows down here along with his cows, and then I don't want to show you his yard, but maybe I'll be able to show it. It's not quite as nice without showing you the whole thing, but if I look to my right, I can see right down through the valley down into Hampton, into the little town that we live in. And yeah, it's just so pretty. But people driving by my road would never know that this view even exists. So I always find that amazing. And well, cows aren't down at the feeders. They must be in the barn or somewhere. Could be down at the water. Not sure. Of course, I also looks like I see tracks over there. So that's makes me wonder. Yeah, and the fence is down. So that makes me wonder even more if I have a couple of rogue cows somewhere, or several rogue cows is what I'm wondering. Come on, girls! I hear them mooing at me. They can't be too far. They can't be too far away. And they sound like they're in the pasture. I was wondering when I seen all these tracks here. Yeah, but I don't think they're cow tracks. Well, they actually kind of... No, I don't think so. Alrighty. There they are. I see them now. They were just down over the hill out of sight. You'll see them here in a second. So one of these girls is very close to having a baby also. She does not belong to me. She belongs to my cousin. But I'm going to check on her here anyways to see what she's looking like here today. There they are. They are not going to be unhappy to see me. Okay, watch out, girls. Watch out, girls. Okay. Let's go. Cut this bale open for them. Give that to them. I don't know if I'd ever dare set this camera down here. This is actually the girl right across there that's very close to having her baby. No, that's not going to work. That's not going to work. I don't know. I don't think that's going to work. Well, that might work. That might work for now. We'll see. Hi, babe. Hi, Patchy. Hi, Patch girl. Yeah, well, you give me a second and I'm going to get you some hay here, okay? Okay, watch out, though. I don't want you crushing me. Hi, Darly Whirly. So, Darla, the girl in behind the bale here that you can't probably see. This girl right here. If you can even see me. She's the one that's pregnant. Wow, they should all be pregnant, hopefully, but she's the one that... Oh, Darla! She's the one that's going to have a baby here very soon. I suspect. So, girls, take that string out of your mouth there, Patch. Watch out, little Annabelle, with your little pointy horns. I see you there. I see ya. Oh, I do hate all this plastic, but it's also very convenient. If I had to actually try to find indoor storage for all this hay, that would be a whole other thing. Oh, really? Oh, still. Frig. Didn't cut the strings on the other side, obviously. Now I gotta go back to that other side and try to work around them cows. It's always the dangerous part here when you... Okay, you back up. You too. Back up. Mom, back up. Okay, back up. Most of these cows have no... They don't mean to be... They don't mean to hurt you. But the problem is when they're really friendly and they don't know anything about personal space and boundaries and what have you, it's easy for them to hurt you by accident. Because the thing is, they're big. And they don't know that I'm not big. To them, they're used to pushing each other around. So when they push me around, they're like, well, yeah, he should be able to handle it. They just don't know I'm a lot smaller than the other ones are pushing around. Okay, Annabelle, you move yourself. Okay, watch out, girls. Watch out, girls. Come on, come on, back up, back up, back up, back up. There's the 2 strings I was looking for. Okay. I'll put the bale in, and then I'm going to come back out with the camera and take a look over Darla, so I can see if she's progressed any on her pregnancy, having a baby. So let me see here. Now the trick is getting them to move the heck out of the way. Okay. All right, let me go and take a quick peek over Darla, see how she's looking, and everyone else, but Darla specifically. Figure out which one is Darla. Doot 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 doot. Doot 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 doot. There's Darla. This is Darla right here. This is the Darla girl. Oh yeah. Now you look like you. So she did have a bunch of discharge here the other day, but nothing happening. And then she's got no milk. Definitely no milk down in. So I'm just feeling her udder there to see if she might have some milk starting, but there's no sign of anything there. So yeah, I guess she's not as close as I was thinking she was. Because I was thinking she might be in the next 7 days, but now I'm questioning that. So this is Wellington, as in beef Wellington. That was Annabelle over there. This is Phil, as in filet mignon or Philly cheesesteak. And that's Patch. And this little one was a calf last year, born. Can't totally remember if. Oh yeah, this one belongs to Crazy, and I want to say we called him ribeye. Can't remember what we called them. And then little June is on the other side, and she's Patch's calf. So anyway, so I guess there's not a baby coming as quick as I thought there might be. I don't think there is. I definitely could be wrong, but doesn't feel very likely. The milk should be in more than that if she was coming really soon. So she just might have had. They can have that discharge like quite a ways before having her baby. So I guess that's all that was happening. So she still should be in the next 2 or 3 weeks, hopefully. But anyway, we'll see. We'll keep an eye on her. All right, folks, if you liked just kind of this, random kind of input into our life and this kind of just following along with us and seeing what we do, I'm happy to provide that to you. And I'd love to hear comments from you, and like seeing the likes and the shares and the subscriptions. So if you like what we do, hit the subscribe button. Really trying to get this channel up over 1,000 people and 4,000 watch hours as soon as we can. That's when we get monetized, and then that really lets us, really helps us to provide this content to you. So, all right, folks, have a great day. Farmer Luke signing out from Belting Hill Farms. Thanks for joining us. Bye.